Are you lost in the streaming jungle, wondering how to actually watch Hulu with your Disney Plus bundle? Let's untangle those subscriptions and get you binge watching in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you actually have the Disney Plus bundle. That includes Hulu. Not all Disney Plus subscriptions do. Okay, head over to Disney+com on your computer or open the Disney Plus app on your phone, tablet, or TV. Log in using your Disney Plus credentials. Look for a banner or notification on the Disney Plus homepage advertising Hulu access. It often pops up right at the top. Click on this. If you don't see one, check your account settings. In your account settings, find a section labeled something like Manage Accounts or Linked Accounts. This is where the magic happens. You'll likely be prompted to either create a new Hulu account or link your existing one. If you already have a Hulu account, use those login details. If not, create a new one. It's free as part of your bundle. Once linked, you can typically access Hulu content directly through the Hulu app, signing in with the same credentials you use to link your accounts, or sometimes Disney Plus will let you browse some Hulu content directly within their app. And that's it. Now you can enjoy all the shows and movies Hulu has to offer, all thanks to your Disney Plus bundle. Happy watching.